Hello and welcome to Integral Man. What I have for you today is the elementary integral of secant of x dx. And in actuality, sometimes it seems like this should be an easy integral, but it's actually pretty tricky. There's a trick to do it, which I'm going to show you today. I don't really like too many really tricky integrals because it requires memorization of a particular trick rather than an understanding of how to do kind of a general integral. And maybe in the future video, we'll do this integral using complex exponentials only and take care of some of the algebra and get the same solution as this time. In any case, here's how we're going to approach it. The first thing we notice is we look at the quantity d dx of secant of x plus tangent of x. All right, the derivative of secant of x, 1 over cosine theta, or cosine of x, sorry, is negative 1 over cosine squared of x times negative sine of x, which is secant of x tangent of x. And then probably everyone remembers what the integral of tangent of x is. So sine of x, or what the derivative of tangent of x is. We can use, for instance, the quotient rule. So, derivative of the top times the bottom, so integral of sine is cosine, so cosine squared x, minus the derivative of the bottom times the top, so that's minus negative sine squared of x, all over the bottom squared, cosine squared of x, which is just 1 over cosine squared of x, or secant squared of x. So the derivative of this quantity here is just going to be d dx secant of x plus tangent of x is equal to secant of x tangent x plus secant squared x. You can factor out a secant. So this would be secant of x plus tangent of x. Secant of x times that. All right. So you have derivative of some quantity is equal to secant of x times that quantity. Let's call this quantity u. U. So we get du dx is equal to secant of x times u. Separate variables. Du over u is equal to secant of x dx. Integrate both sides. We get that the integral of secant of x is going to be the integral of du over u, which is just natural log of u. So you get natural log of u, which is secant of x plus tangent of x plus arbitrary constant, is the integral of secant of x dx. All right, that's all I have for you today. If you like the video, feel free to like or subscribe. Leave a comment below if you want. And in any case, have a good day.